is Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches, and welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you, and if you're coming back, thanks so much for returning. I love that you keep coming back, and I appreciate all of you subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then hit the bell for notifications, you'll know every time I go live or I post a video like this. So today, as you can see, I am doing an unboxing. I got my perfectly pieced project box from Yvette. She's one of my really good friends here on YouTube. I did receive this for review. We exchange our project boxes because we love each other and we want to share, but also so we can open them and show you guys what's in them. Now, as of this filming, she did have just a few left in her shop. So if you want one, run over there and grab one because they're not gonna last. I did link her shop down below, so you guys can go check it out. And my shop is also linked down below. It has nothing to do with this box, but I just wanted to let you know because it is National Quilting Month. So I've got some deals, and I know she's got some deals, so kind of check us both out. We definitely would really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get this box open. I've cut the tape, but I haven't opened it yet, and I can't wait to see because she puts together beautiful boxes, and I know there's going to be something gorgeous in here. So let's take a peek. Okay, so here's her project box, and as you can see, it's a really big box and it's heavy, very heavy, and she has the contents listed on her website, all the things that you can expect to get in there. So if you're interested in this box, go ahead and check it out. It tells you the size of the project and some of the things you might expect to find inside. But of course I'm going to open it so you can see what's inside. But she does a great job. She's very loving and meticulous with everything that she does. She has really high standards, and I know that this is going to be fabulous, and I can't wait to open it. So without further ado, oh, pretty, pretty. It says Yvette Renee Creations, and it's purple, and I love me some purple. So that right there has already got me. Oh, look. Ooh, right on top, she's given us some yummies. So right on top, I'm seeing some chocolate-covered toffee pretzels. Thank you, Yvette. These are going to be a nice Saturday evening treat. And then, oh my goodness, she not only gave us one, but she gave us 2 spools of thread. So they're both from Wonderfil. And we'll take a look at what the brochure says about those. But that's amazing. That's an 80 weight. So I can't wait to see what the box says. That's great. Thank you so much, Yvette. Okay. Special offer for project box buyers. She's got a code in here for 50% off her Piecing It Real Foundation Paper Piecing Online membership. And I will put the link to her membership down below as well. So that's a great deal. Thank you. And then let's see what's inside. Okay, let's read what she says. Yvette says, I wanted to design a quilt that took my love of foundation paper piecing and paired it with traditional piecing and showcased an absolutely yummy fabric collection, Adele in Spring. Oh, I love Adele in Spring. Eternally Bloom is a perfectly square lap quilt that will feature prominently in your living space, ready to warm you on chilly nights. Please consider posting pics of your creation to social media with the hashtags Pound Eternal Bloom FPP and Pound Piecing It Real. XOXO Yvette. So what's inside is 8.5 yards of fabric, an Eternal Bloom pattern, printed templates, Wonderfil Deco Bob Antique White 80 weight, Wonderfil Afina Parchment 60 weight, piecing thread, Sweet Treat. She gave us the chocolate covered pretzels, yummy, and Hugs and Kisses, which are priceless. Yes, they are. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside. So the MSRP, the value on this box, is $139.40. So that's an amazing value because this box, it's on the pricier side, but she doesn't release them every month like a regular subscription. But it's $100, but you get the whole project. There's 8.5 yards of fabric in here. Plus, if you know anything about FPP, if you sew foundation paper, if you're a foundation paper piecer, all the templates and the pattern are in here, which most patterns with templates cost at least $30, if not more. A lot of them are upwards of $50 or $60. So between the fabric and that alone, you're already exceeding the box by quite a bit about how much you paid for it. So this is amazing. And then she also gave us the thread and the treats. So, okay, so let's go through this piece by piece. There's a beautiful green. And there's the green plaid. Oh, purple. I love this purple. Lavender purple is so perfect for the spring. Oh, and my other favorite color, aqua. Aqua blue. Oh my goodness, there's so much fabric in here, you guys. And then the flowers. I bet this is a main fabric. That's so pretty. And I believe this is thatched. This white background. Oh, look at the pink. Very nice. Okay, oh my goodness. So, just look at the stack of fabric. That is amazing for this box. Like, Yvette, you're awesome. I don't know how you do it. Okay, so this FPP pattern is for a confident beginner, and she's named it Eternal Bloom, and Yvette writes all her own patterns, so that's what it's going to look like, the finished quilt right here. Very nice. Oh, it's so pretty. Nice and springy. I love it. And she's included all the templates you need, so you don't need to print anything. She's already printed it for you. So a lot of FPP patterns, when you get them, you either have to print them from the booklet, or if you buy a PDF online, of course, you have to print it. But she's already done all of that for you. So there's nothing to do except open this up and start sewing. So that's amazing. And this is a, oh my goodness, this is so nice. This is a full color pattern book. And the templates are also in here. So if you make this with the templates she's given us and you decide you want to make another one later, you can always photocopy these and make it again. So this is great. Oh, I just love it. I love the fabrics. I love the pattern. And this is again what the quilt's going to look like at the end. So really, really, really pretty. Great job, Yvette. I just love this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a beautiful box of lovely, lovely spring goodness. All this fabric, these threads, which one is for the bobbin and one is for the top thread. And then the goodies, her beautiful card, and the little bag that the goodies came in, which you could repurpose for something else. I could easily see that, using that to store something else. So that's the box. Thank you so much, Yvette. I love you, and your box is wonderful, and I'm so happy I was able to share it with you all. Again, Yvette's Perfectly Pieced Project Box. There's a link down below. If you like what you see, run and go get one, because I think she's only got 4 or 5 left. So, yeah, enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.